What you're looking at right now is our tomato bed, which we originally believed was planted with determinate tomato varieties. But as the plants continued to grow, it quickly became obvious that something wasn't right. Instead of staying compact, these tomatoes started growing wildly, tall, sprawling in every direction, and producing flowers and fruits all at once. Because of this uncontrolled growth, the entire bed turned messy. The plants spread beyond their space and even began blocking the pathway around them. When tomatoes grow like this, they need some guidance. Without support, they fall over, spread into walking areas, and often end up touching the soil, which can damage both the plant and the fruit. So we decided to bring this bed back under control using 4 simple but highly effective steps. First, we started by properly cleaning the bed. We removed all the weeds growing around the tomato plants. In our garden, weeds grow aggressively, and if left unchecked, they compete with tomatoes for nutrients, water, and space. We made sure to pull them out from the roots so they wouldn't grow back quickly. A clean bed gives tomato plants the best chance to grow strong and healthy. Next, we created a simple support system. Using bamboo sticks and rope, we built a cage-like structure around the bed. This helped keep the plants within a defined space and encouraged them to grow upward instead of spreading outward. It also supports heavy branches, preventing them from breaking under the weight of the fruit. Even a basic structure like this can make a huge difference. After that, we focused on the soil by adding straw mulch around the plants. This step is especially important once fruits begin to form. The mulch acts as a protective layer between the soil and the tomatoes, preventing the fruits from touching wet soil, which can cause rot or fungal issues. It also helps retain moisture, reducing the need for frequent watering, and slows down weed growth. Finally, we gave the plants a boost with a homemade liquid fertilizer. This natural feed is made using weeds collected from the garden combined with compost tea. The mixture is soaked and allowed to break down, creating a nutrient-rich liquid. It's simple, cost-effective, and incredibly beneficial for plant growth. Once applied, the results are noticeable. The leaves turn greener, flowering increases, and fruit development improves. Since it's all natural, it also enhances soil health without harming the environment. After completing these 4 steps, the transformation is clear. What was once an overgrown, messy bed is now organized and manageable. The plants are still growing vigorously, but now they are supported, well-fed, and under control. The pathway is clear again, and the fruits are protected. Simple maintenance like this can make a big difference. Tomatoes grow fast and require proper care, but with just a little effort, cleaning, supporting, mulching, and feeding, you can turn a chaotic bed into a healthy, productive space. Now, the plants can continue growing properly, the fruits can develop safely, and the garden becomes much easier to manage.